Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Captain in Risk of Rain 2. Captain excels at controlling the battlefield with his unique abilities. Start by using your orbital probe to clear groups of enemies or deal significant damage to tougher foes. Remember to deploy your healing beacon in safe spots to keep your health up, especially during intense fights. Focus on items that enhance your attack speed and proc chances for an easy start. Building Captain effectively makes a huge difference. Prioritize items that increase your critical strike chance and overall damage output to maximize your shotgun's potential. Don't forget defensive items like Tougher Times to absorb incoming damage and keep you in the fight longer. On-hit items, such as the ukulele, are also fantastic for clearing out large groups of enemies with ease. Positioning is key to Captain's success. Always try to maintain a safe distance from enemies, utilizing your shotgun's wide spread to hit multiple targets. Place your beacons in locations that provide maximum benefit, whether it's healing a large area or providing defensive support. Your orbital probe is excellent for quickly eliminating dangerous elite enemies or bosses, so use it wisely. To truly master Captain, remember to constantly adapt. Your shotgun's widespread is perfect for hitting multiple enemies, so aim for groups. When playing with others, coordinate your beacon placements to maximize their healing or defensive benefits for the entire team. Finally, always be ready to adjust your item build based on the stage's challenges and the enemies you encounter.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.